Hey everybody, it's 10:32 and 13 seconds on November 1st. This is the main drawing for the Eternals 1. Again, just to kind of go over what happened in the final mini. Uh, Frank had claimed spot 3 in the final mini, as you can clearly see in the comments. Joe didn't even participate, but I had a brain fart and filled in Joe's name into spot 3. I didn't realize it until after I had run it. I saw Joe's name and I said I didn't even remember Joe participating. So Frank was the winner of the final spot, the final mini spot. Okay, so over here are the 20 filled spots. Okay, the number is 9. Going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. I hope to be able to get it out in today's mail. Worst case, it will go out Friday, November 2nd. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9, spot 6, Aaron Grant. Congratulations. Time is 10:33 and 30